Hello guys, welcome to my crypto world. Today we will discuss what is altcoin, how it works, and why it is so famous. Let's start our video. What is altcoin? Altcoins are generally defined as all cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin. However, some people consider altcoins to be all cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin and Ethereum because most cryptocurrencies are forked from one of the two. Some altcoins use different mechanisms to validate transactions and open new blocks, or attempt to distinguish themselves from Bitcoin and Ethereum by providing new or additional capabilities or purposes. Most altcoins are designed and released by developers who have a different vision or use for their tokens or cryptocurrency. So let's understand about altcoins in detail. Altcoin is a combination of the two words alternative and coin. It is generally used to include all cryptocurrencies and tokens that are not Bitcoin. Altcoins belong to the blockchains they were explicitly designed for. These forks generally have more than one reason for occurring. Most of the time, a group of developers disagree with others and leave to make their own coin. Many altcoins are used within their respective blockchains to accomplish something, such as Ether, which is used in Ethereum to pay transaction fees. Some developers have created forks of Bitcoin and re-emerged as an attempt to compete with Bitcoin as a payment method, such as Bitcoin Cash. Others fork and advertise themselves as a way to raise funds for specific projects. For example, the token Banana Coin forked from Ethereum and emerged in 2017 as a way to raise funds for a banana plantation that claimed to grow organic bananas. Altcoins attempt to improve upon the perceived limitations of whichever cryptocurrency and blockchain they are forked from or competing with. The first altcoin was Litecoin, forked from the Bitcoin blockchain in 2011. Litecoin uses a different proof-of-work consensus mechanism than Bitcoin, called Script, pronounced as Crypt, which is less energy-intensive and quicker than Bitcoin SHA-256 POW consensus mechanism. Ether is another altcoin. However, it did not fork from Bitcoin. It was designed by Vitalik Buterin, Dr. Gavin Wood, and a few others to support Ethereum, the world's largest blockchain-based scalable virtual machine. Ether is used to pay network participants for the transaction validation work their machines do. Types of altcoins. Altcoins come in various flavors and categories. Here is a brief summary of some of the types of altcoins and what they are intended to be used for. Stablecoins. Cryptocurrency trading and use have been marked by volatility since launch. Stablecoins aim to reduce this overall volatility by pegging their value to a basket of goods, such as fiat currencies, precious metals, or other cryptocurrencies. The basket is meant to act as a reserve to redeem holders if the cryptocurrency fails or faces problems. Price fluctuations for stable coins are not meant to exceed a narrow range. Notable stable coins include Tether's UST and the UST coin. Security tokens. Security tokens are tokenized assets offered on stock markets. Tokenization is the transfer of value from an asset to a token, which is then made available to investors. Any asset can be tokenized, such as real estate or stocks. For this to work, the asset must be secured and held. Otherwise, the tokens are worthless because they wouldn't represent anything. Security tokens are regulated by the Securities and Exchange Commission because they are designed to act as securities. In 2021, the Bitcoin wallet firm Exodus successfully completed a Securities and Exchange Commission qualified Reg A+ token offering, allowing for $75 million share of common stock to be converted to tokens on the Algorand blockchain. Utility tokens. Utility tokens are used to provide services within a network. For example, they might be used to purchase services, pay network fees, or redeem rewards. Filecoin, which is used to buy storage space on a network and secure the information, is an example of a utility token. Ether is also a utility token. It is designed to be used in the Ethereum blockchain and virtual machine to pay for transactions. The stablecoin US Terra uses utility tokens to attempt to maintain its peg to the dollar, which it lost by minting and burning 2 utility tokens to create downward or upward pressure on its price. Utility tokens can be purchased on exchanges and held, but they are meant to be used in the blockchain network to keep it functioning. Meme coins, as their name suggests. Meme coins are inspired by a joke or a silly take on other well-known cryptocurrencies. They typically gain popularity in a short period of time, often hyped online by prominent influencers or investors attempting to exploit short-term gains. Many refer to the sharp run-up in this type of altcoins during April, and May 2021 as meme coin season, with hundreds of these cryptocurrencies posting enormous percentage gains based on pure speculation. Governance tokens. Governance tokens allow holders certain rights within a blockchain, such as voting for changes to protocols or having a say in decisions of a decentralized autonomous organization DAO. Because they are generally native to a private blockchain and used for blockchain purposes, they are utility tokens but have come to be accepted as a separate type because of their purpose. Future of altcoins. Discussions about the future for altcoins and cryptocurrencies have a precedent in the circumstances that led to a federally issued dollar in the 19th century. Various forms of local currencies circulated in the United States. Each had unique characteristics and was backed by a different instrument. The current state of affairs in the altcoin markets is unlikely to consolidate into a single cryptocurrency, but it is also likely that a majority of the thousands of altcoins listed in crypto markets will not survive. Those with strong utility, use cases, and a solid blockchain purpose, which will dominate the markets. If you are looking to diversify within the cryptocurrency market, altcoins can be less expensive than Bitcoin. However, the cryptocurrency market, regardless of the type of coin, is young and volatile. Cryptocurrency is still finding its role in the global economy, so it's best to approach all cryptocurrencies cautiously. What is the best altcoin to invest in? If you are thinking to invest in the best altcoin, then it depends on your financial situation, goals, risk tolerance, and the market circumstances. It is best to speak to a financial advisor to help you decide which one is best for you. Do not do it by yourself or wait to lose everything you have. Is it better to invest in Bitcoin or altcoins? Which cryptocurrency is better is a subjective argument based on an investor's financial circumstances, investing goals, risk tolerance, and beliefs. You should talk to a professional financial advisor about investing in cryptocurrency before buying any. If you have high financial status, then you can go with Bitcoin. Or if you are a beginner in crypto world, then you can take risk and check how crypto works. Do not invest everything you have. That is bad idea. Just think again and again. Now ends the video with pros and cons of altcoin. Pros of altcoins explained. Altcoins are improved versions of the cryptocurrency. Altcoins with more utility have a better chance of surviving because they have uses such as ethereum ether. Investors can choose from a wide variety of altcoins that perform different functions in the crypto economy. Cons of altcoin explained. Altcoins have a smaller investment market compared to Bitcoin. Bitcoin has generally hovered around 40% of the global cryptocurrency market since May of 2021. The altcoin market is characterized by fewer investors and less activity, resulting in thin liquidity. It is not always easy to distinguish between different altcoins and their respective use cases, making investment decisions even more complicated and confusing. There are several dead altcoins that ended up sinking investor dollars.